Welcome to today's Jamb biology question. So today we are going to be looking at these few Jamb questions. Number one says, which of the following method of reproduction is common to paramecium and amoeba? The type of reproduction that is common to paramecium and amoeba. A, we have budding. B, we have conjugation. C, we have fragmentation. And with D, we have binary fission. Of course, you know that paramecium and amoeba exhibit binary fission as a method of reproduction. So the question number two, we have which of the following organism exists as a filament? Which of the following organism exists as a filament? They are trying to test our knowledge if we know the organism that exists as a filament. Of course, we know that Euglena does not exist as a filament. Spirogyra exists as a filament. Volvos exist in colony, while amoeba exists as a single cell. This one also exists as a single cell, but it's only Spirogyra exists as a filament. So option B, Spirogyra, is the correct answer. Question number three. Absorption of digested food is carried out by tiny finger-like structure called dash. Absorption of digested food is carried out by tiny finger-like structure called dash. Here they are testing our knowledge if we know the structure that absorbs food in the body after digestion. So here we have villi, we have gullet, we have rectum, and we have bile. Here we know that villi is the correct answer because villi is the finger-like structure in the body located in the small intestine which absorbs food after digestion. Gullet is located at the neck region, is a pipe through which food gets into the stomach. While rectum is a part of large intestine where waste food that is about to be removed from the body is temporarily stored before it gets through the anus. Then bile is located in the liver, which is used for digestion of fat. So from the question, the answer is villi. Villi is a part of the finger-like structure that absorbs digested food. Okay, let's look at question number four. Question number four says the enzyme in the salivary gland which breaks down starch into maltose is called dash. The enzyme in the salivary gland. Here they are testing your knowledge about the enzyme that is present in the saliva. The enzyme that is present in the saliva that helps to break down starch into maltose in the mouth. It is called dash. Is it amylase, pepsin, thiamine, or trypsin? So here you know that amylase is not the enzyme that is present in the saliva. Pepsin is also the enzyme that is not present in the saliva. But thiamine is the enzyme that is present in the saliva. Trypsin also is not the enzyme that is present in the saliva. So the correct answer here is thiamine because thiamine is the enzyme that is being produced by the salivary gland which helps to break down starch into maltose in the mouth. So thiamine is the correct answer. So let's look at question number five. Question number five says, which insect exhibits this metamorphosis below? Which insect exhibits this metamorphosis below? Of course, here we have egg, larva, pupa, and adult. And we know that this is an example of a complete metamorphosis because it undergoes four stages. So here you have option A, termite, option B, housefly, option C, cockroach, and option D, grasshopper. Of course, here we know that termite exhibits incomplete metamorphosis. Housefly undergoes complete metamorphosis. Cockroach undergoes incomplete metamorphosis, while grasshopper also undergoes incomplete metamorphosis. So from the options given here, we know that housefly is the correct answer because housefly undergoes the four stages of metamorphosis. Thanks for being part of this JAM biology question and answer session. I hope you will see you in our next class. Bye for now.